Hi friends, my name is Rama Prasad. In this video, we will discuss about the ClickBank University 2.0. We will take a deep dive into what is the system going to offer and what are the some of the key features that are being provided, and also some of the pros and cons as well as the pricing. And in the end, we will see my recommendation about this product. So ClickBank, as most of you know, it is an e-commerce platform of digital goods and services where the digital content or service creator, also known as a vendor, they try to sell the products, and the affiliates who are basically who try to promote the product to the customers who are trying to buy that. And it is one of the largest and most popular affiliate networks. And the university, ClickBank University 2.0, it's created to help the customers find more success with the ClickBank platform as such, as both an affiliate as well as vendor. So it works through an affiliate network that assists vendors in building visibility and revenue generating opportunities. So basically, the product gives it comprises of a set of training videos. Basically, the walkthrough videos broken into 12 weeks, which guide you in creating your own digital product that you can promote and ClickBank to other affiliate marketers. So in this slide, basically it shows what is the magnanimity of the ClickBank. So almost 20, last 20 years, this platform is on, and top online marketers across the globe in various countries are promoting the ClickBank products. And as you can see, there are almost 4,000 plus marketable products, and there are 4.2 plus $1 billion that is paid in commissions, and the potential commission that you get while selling the product is almost 90%, which is really huge, right? And the uh, the university itself, the ClickBank University, was created by Justin Atlan and Adam Horowitz. So before this, basically, the reason why they have set up this university is because before this, there are a lot of gurus who are basically have created videos and resources on YouTube, and on their own websites, and they try to um, um, basically talk about the ClickBank platform. But these guys, they wanted to build something which is more dependable, reliable, and trustworthy. So basically that's why these guys have created the ClickBank University. So the ClickBank itself, it has been featured in almost world's top-notch published companies like NBC, Forbes, Wired, and Business Insider. And the University 2.0 is, it comes up with basically the main product is 8-week affiliate plus 12-week vendor class, and there are bi-weekly expert classes, and there are add-on trainings, and it also comes with a toolkit and a traffic center, and there are also massive discounts on favorite tools, and there are live events also which come for a very minimal price, and you also get added to the exclusive ClickBank University community and take help from them, and there are some surprise bonuses also. Now we'll go deep into the what is covered in the training for both affiliate as well as the vendor. So affiliate marketing training is um, helpful for those, like suppose if you have your own website and you want to promote some other people's products, right? And you want to review them and try to promote them on your website, right? And try to earn commission. So if you are such kind of person, this training is helpful for you. So this is given by Adam, and let's take a deep dive into what is the training has got to offer. It comes, the training is for 8 weeks. So the week one we cover basically affiliate marketing, setting up the affiliate for the success, and week two is basically it navigates to the ClickBank marketplace and also teaches you some of the secrets of the top ClickBank products. Week three teaches you about finding your niche. What is the product niche? And week four is more about like how to create a funnel. And week five is basically how do you cheer your customer by offering free product, right? How do you deliver a free product? And week six is basically teaches you about writing your perfect email, so that you make sure that once it reaches the customer, they try to click the links in it, and also and you can try offering bonuses through the email. And week seven is basically talks about giving how to automate your emails, right? All the emails that you send to the customer. And week eight is more about like scaling and expanding your marketing, affiliate marketing. And the bonus week is basically uh, trains you about running affiliate promotions. So this is all about the affiliate marketing. Now we will go into the vendor training. So if you already have a website and you have some courses and you have some digital products that are and which you want to market on ClickBank platform, then this training is suitable for you. So this training is given by Justin, and basically this training is covered in 12 weeks. So week one is basically covers the overall goal of the 12-week session. Week two is basically try to find your product that you want to sell on the ClickBank. And week three teaches you basically to try to understand the customer and what is the customer interest and what is the problem. And in week four, you will learn about creating your product, right? And you will understand the proven blueprint to create your product. And next week, which is week five, you will learn about the how do you upsell, right? Once you sell your first product, how do you upsell to the same customer, right? And week six is basically how do you create a successful sales copy and how do you maximize your conversion. And in week seven, you will learn about easy video sales letter and how do you create a high value and effective video sales letters. And week eight, basically, you try to give some finishing touches of your product and try to finalize your product. Week nine is basically you have your product ready and you onboard the product to the ClickBank platform so that you can start selling the product. Week 10 is basically you try to create joint ventures and try to attract affiliates so that they can promote your product, right, to the customers. Then then once you start selling the product, then you will basically have to do split testing to increase the earnings, right? So this is what you learn in the week 11. So you do split testing. How do you set up for different languages and different ads like Facebook ad or Instagram ad, and also how do you set up funnels, right? And week 12 is basically just a scaling part. How do you scale your product, and how do you generate more traffic to your product and to make more money. So this is what the vendor training is covered. And this slide basically it is about the traffic training. Here traffic training means basically how do you increase traffic to your product pages, right, or your website. And they cover both the Facebook advertising as well as the Instagram shoutouts in this section. Then on the top of this, it comes with the bonus part, which is live Q&A section as well as this ClickBank University forum. So the forum is nothing but where the forum is a place where the new members and old people, the coaches and the creators, all of them get together and they try to discuss and what's working and what's not working. And the live Q&A session, it's a great place basically where you can ask a coach and you can get clarifications from the all the coaches out there. Then as I mentioned, there is also a tool section where you will learn about the tools and all the normal tools that that are needed to suppose for creating a sales presentation or for you to record a sales video, or if you want to design banners and posts, or if you want to create your domain and setting up your funnel. So all these basic tools that you need to create your website and design, optimize and outsource, basically all this training is done in this section. So overall the key features are, so you will learn about how to find your product and that you want to sell, create and sell, and you will test and finalize your product and set it up on the ClickBank. And you will also learn about creating and setting up landing page, and also creating an avatar for your ClickBank seller. And you will also learn about creating video sales letters, and you will learn about doing a split testing performance of your sales page, and also you will understand how to scale and outsource. And coming to the price page, basically this is the product itself is $47 per month, and there are two upsells. One is the ClickBank Builder, which is nothing but so the ClickBank Builder helps you easily create professional websites and landing pages and offer pages. So it's basically a drag and drop tool with various templates to help you to craft your beautiful pages. And there is additional advanced training for $97. And so overall, the pros is that the ClickBank lessons are really great for the newbies, and anyone who is new to creating their first digital product can take advantage of this ClickBank training. And videos are of very high quality and they're easy to understand. ClickBank has their own site builders where the hosting is free and you can build affiliate sites using the ClickBank platform. And the forum and the webinar are really helpful for members to get personal support. And cons, so I feel that they should have really explained more about the organic traffic, not just paid traffic on Facebook and Instagram in the traffic section. Okay, so my conclusion is that this course really provides you with the skill set that extend far beyond just the ClickBank. For example, the traffic generation skills that you learn on this course can be used to become a lead generating specialist, and you can use this skill to help other businesses to drive customers to their businesses. I would greatly recommend this product as you are getting a lot of value for just $47, and it's good to invest on yourself for a fresh start. And also, you are protected by the 30-day money back guarantee, which I think is a huge confidence booster. Thank you. And if you want to buy this product, please click on the buy link in the description of the